In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your messages not working on an iPhone. Maybe they may be green instead of blue, or you're just having general issues. I'm going to show you how you can fix both of those. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you got to understand that those green bubbles are SMS and blue bubbles are going to be iMessage. The first thing you're going to want to do though is actually open up your settings and then scroll down and select this search icon and just type in messages just like so and open up a page that looks like this. You're going to see an option for iMessage. Go ahead and make sure this is ticked on. And if you have an option for SMS on here as well, I would also recommend turning that on so that messages still do go through if an iMessage does fail. From here, back out and check your internet connection. iMessage mainly does require Wi-Fi or mobile data. And if you're having any issues with your internet, try toggling airplane mode on and off or just reconnecting to Wi-Fi. I would also make sure that the other person is also using iMessage. Blue messages only work between Apple devices, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. If someone's on an Android, it's going to send as a regular text message. And then finally, make sure that you are signed into your Apple ID. To do this, open up your settings and stay in those messages settings here. And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a send and receive option. I'm blurring this out just because it has my number on here, but select that and just make sure your phone number and Apple ID email are checked. Now, if you're already connected and iMessage is already turned on, just close the Messages app completely and reopen up that chat. And if text message changed to iMessage, go ahead and resend that message. You can also copy the previous green text and resend it so it goes through as blue, but that is it. Your messages should now be sending as blue iMessages again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.